All right, looking over here at Amazon this week, you can see that we've been moving up on Amazon. And if you recall from a couple weeks ago, I think it was about a month ago, we were looking at Amazon and saying we need to see the retest of the highs. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to that moment where we are retesting the highs. We are retesting the extremes up here at 847. And everything is great with the market. So let's go ahead and go down to the daily time frame. So looking here at the daily time frame, if you recall from our last video here on Amazon, we were looking for the quick bop into this aqua zone here. Fortunately, that did not happen quite as we would like it to happen. Instead, we got the consolidation to form here and then the quick pop to the upside. And if we measure the move from where we were last time and that the popping action that happened, we can see that this was about 28. So we're looking at about a $28 move there. And that's very substantial, a $28 move on Amazon to the upside. And that takes us to the retest of this top zone up here at 843 up to 847. So you can see that we've retested that level, and we did get the check mark trade off of this aqua level, which will soon be turning blue. And we're looking for new highs in the Amazon market as this new year continues on here. And so as we look at those events taking place, I'm looking at this zone being very weak. Price should be soaring up into the 850 area, if not even higher. Also looking possibly all the way up to 900. So I think good things are coming in store for Amazon from a purely technical standpoint. Right now, if you're not into anything to the long side, this represents a counter trend play right now at the 843 level. So if you want to try a counter trend play, make sure you do so with low risk if you want to take this thing to the short side. But that would definitely be against the trend. I would not advise it, but you could see a quick first target down here. And that's really what's happened here is you've seen a $21 move. We were seeing this actually a whole lot earlier than this, so we're looking at more like a $30 move when we actually pointed this thing out to everybody here. But if you wanted to do a counter trend play, you have about a $21 move to the downside if for whatever reason you feel like price is going to push to the downside. For me, it's too early to say that it's going to push to the downside or jostle back and forth in between these two levels. I can see the uptrend happening, and right now we're seeing the completion of the pullback that we've had. We've seen the breakout of a range and now expansion into the direction of trend. So we're going to be looking for that to happen here for this coming week. Let's go down into the 4-hour time frames to see the support and resistance that we have going on here. On the 4-hour time frame, again, we're looking at the 842 zone up to 847. This is the top on both the daily and the 4-hour time frame. So you can see the little rangy area that we could possibly see price moving into. It's about $20 worth, okay, in between these two zones here. So if for whatever reason you see that this is being the extreme right now, it's too early for me to say that this is going to be a reversing back down here. But this is the extreme of the highs. This zone has been retested a few times. This purple zone has been retested a few times. Therefore, I feel like it's weak, and so we could easily break through that level to the upside here this coming week. Looking at Facebook this week, we can see that Facebook has made a new high here at 133.50, and it looks like we have clear blue skies up above us, meaning that there are no levels up above here. So as soon as this week closes, we will see this zone being taken out and possibly see price bouncing off of this zone here at 129 down to 126. So I'm going to be looking for price to be bouncing off of that level and see how that goes this coming week. As we move down into the daily time frames, you can see that the 129 to 126 actually coincides wonderfully with a brand new fresh daily zone. I would like to see price do a wonderful check mark trade off of that level here as it gets down even lower into the 126 area and then bouncing up into brand new highs yet again. So that's really what I'm looking to have happen here over the next few days. For the next week is price to be moving down into 127, 126, and then pushing up into brand new highs and into the blue sky up above us for the Facebook Corporation. Here on the 4-hour time frame, again, just going to go with what we were just now talking about. This is the zone here at 127.92 down to 126.78. Looking for price to bounce off of that level here this coming week and move into the highs yet again up there at 135. So we've been looking long here on Facebook for a while now, and if we can see the move down to the downside, we're looking at roughly about $2.50, followed by the move back up. You are looking at about $7.50. So which one would you rather have, a $2 move to the downside or a $7 move to the upside? Well, I'd rather have the $7 move to the upside. So I'm going to be looking long and seeing how price interacts with the 127 zone down here.